Your body might be resting, but your mind feels exhausted. What if mental tiredness isn't about doing too much, but about never truly stopping? And for a long time I confused mental exhaustion with laziness. It wasn't laziness, it was overload. Your mind gets tired for different reasons. Sleep helps muscles, but mental energy depends on clarity, safety and meaning. Here are 4 reasons your mind feels exhausted and tired, and how to restore your energy. Your brain hates unfinished loops, unmade decisions, unspoken thoughts, unclear priorities. Psychologically, each open loop consumes energy in the background. Even when you are resting, your mind's still working. That's why mental fatigue feels heavy and foggy. How to restore energy? Create closure. Write things down. Decide small things fully. A rested mind is a resolved mind. Mental exhaustion often comes with too much input, not too much effort. Notifications, scrolling, noise. Your brain never enters recovery mode. It stays alert, always reacting, always processing. How to restore energy? Reduce stimulations. Quiet time, single tasking, short walks. Mental energy returns when the brain isn't constantly fed. Trying to push through mental fatigue backfires. When the mind feels pressured, it resists. And resistance drains more energy than effort. Psychologically, forced focus activates stress, not clarity. How to restore energy? Switch from force to rhythm. Work in focused blocks, like 45 minutes of deep work and 15 minutes of rest. And respect your mental limits. Flow comes from cooperation, not control. This one is deep. When your daily actions don't match your values, your mind carries constant friction. You say yes when you mean no. You chase goals that don't feel true. You perform instead of express. That internal conflict is just exhausting. How to restore energy? Realign gently. Ask, what am I doing from obligation instead of honesty? Mental energy returns when you live closer to truth. You don't need to push harder, you just need to quiet your noise. So let's grow together. Subscribe, press like and drop a comment. So see you in the next one, fam.